Hello, my name is Gemma. I am Miss Wellis Scotland, and today I'm in Bells Hill, which is an area just outside Glasgow in central Scotland, and I'm with Stephen, a very proud owner of the Palermo Line Premium Spa.
The reason I bought the hot tub was because I had an accident. I broke my pelvis in two places, broke 4 ribs, punctured my lung, and I was looking for a hot tub that would help with the healing. I have a lot of back pain and I try to get in the hot tub most nights and it really helps the pain. I don't have anywhere near as much pain.
The big question in everybody's lips just now is about energy efficiency, and this spa's got 3 pumps. It's got 2 pumps that are 3 horsepower, and it's also got a circulation pump which is completely silent, so it's one of the most energy efficient spas that you can invest in at this time. The Palermo is also very special because it's got 2 loungers and it's also got Wi-Fi, so you can control the temperature from anywhere at all in the world. In addition to that, to add to the ambience, you've got the music, so you can put that on through the Bluetooth, and the speaker quality is fantastic.
I like that the music's good on it. I use it most nights with the music on, and it allows me just to relax and helps me get a better sleep at night.
This spa also has aromatherapy, and along with the chromotherapy, it's a rather healing experience, which is the reason why Stephen had invested in this one in particular.
I try to use the hot tub most nights. Sometimes my granddaughter, she goes in it when she comes here to visit. She loves it, but we can't keep her in too long because she's only 4. And my partner will go in with her, our son and our girlfriend goes in it. When I first go into the hot tub, I use the lounger, and that helps with my calf muscles and helps with my back. And I stay in that for about 20 minutes, and then I move over to the captain's chair where I get a lot of massage in my back area. I would recommend getting the Palermo because it's a very nice hot tub. Takes away all the issues of what's happened during the day. So yes, I really recommend it.